New York Life Insurance Company. New York Life boasts excellent ratings for financial strength as well as flexible term life insurance policies that you can convert to permanent insurance in the future. And the company makes it easy to tailor your term life coverage for your own specific needs. New York Life has been in business for 175 years, which is a testament to its reliability in the market. This company also reports very solid ratings for financial strength, including an A++ rating from AM Best and an AA+ rating from Standard and Poor's. Further, New York Life sits in the sixth spot in the JD. New York Life offers four main types of life insurance coverage: term life insurance, whole life, universal life, and variable universal life. It also offers an array of helpful life insurance resources on its website, as well as charts that can help you compare its policies and offerings. We chose New York Life as best for term life coverage based on the fact it offers term life insurance that can convert to permanent life later on. It also offers customizable add-ons for disability or terminal illness, which you can utilize in order to build the type of coverage that best fits your needs. Unfortunately, New York Life doesn't offer free quotes online. Instead, it asks you to enter your information in a form, after which a financial professional will speak with you to go over your full financial picture. When we talk about Mutual of Omaha offers term and whole life insurance policies with no medical exam for applicants who qualify. This means you may be able to fill out a health questionnaire from the comfort of your home with no invasive health exam and get coverage when you pay your first month's premiums. Originally founded in 1909, Mutual of Omaha has grown tremendously over the years and is now a provider of life insurance, long-term care insurance, annuities, investments, and more. In terms of financial strength, Mutual of Omaha has an A+ rating with AM Best and an A+ rating with S&P Global. Mutual of Omaha offers a selection of life insurance policies to choose from, including term life insurance, whole life, universal life, children's whole life insurance, and accidental death insurance. You have the option to speak with an agent in your area if you prefer, but Mutual of Omaha also lets you get a free quote or apply for any of its policies online. How much does its coverage cost? Request a quote or speak with an agent to find out. USAA. USAA is such a life insurance company, and home insurance and banking products are only available for military members and veterans. But its life insurance products are available to the public. USAA boasts excellent ratings for financial strength, and it offers an array of riders you can add to your policy to bolster your benefits. Currently, USAA has just less than 13 million members, and the life insurance component of the company boasts excellent ratings. These include an A++ rating from AM Best as well as an A++ rating from Standard and Poor's. When it comes to life insurance coverage, USAA offers term life insurance coverage for up to 30 years as well as permanent life insurance products that last a lifetime. It also makes it possible to get a free quote for both term and permanent coverage online, which means it is more transparent on pricing than many of its competitors. On detail to note about USAA is the fact that you have to be a member to apply for its auto and home insurance and bank products, and that membership requires some level of military service or veteran status.